This image is not a painting, and those colors are not decoration. Every single pixel here is a temperature reading, and the coldest ones mark the most dangerous places on Earth right now. Here's what you're actually looking at: a satellite staring straight down at cloud tops across the Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean on August 22nd, 2026, and assigning every patch of cloud a color based on how cold it is up there. Red means the cloud top is sitting somewhere around -40 degrees Celsius, already higher than most commercial flights cruise. But that's not even the alarming part. The alarming part is what's hiding inside the darker colors. Look up near the top center of the frame. That streak of deep blue and green cutting through the red. Those are cloud tops that have punched all the way into the upper troposphere, where temperatures hit -60, -70 degrees Celsius. A thunderstorm has to be almost violently strong to get that high. We're talking towers of ice and vapor climbing 15 or 16 kilometers straight up. The energy involved is roughly equivalent to several nuclear weapons going off per hour, just quietly, inside a cloud, over the ocean. Now look over to the upper right. See that tight little swirl of color, blue bleeding into yellow and green, winding around itself? That circular pattern is a signature. When cloud tops spiral inward and temperatures drop sharply at the center, you're almost certainly looking at a rotating system, possibly a tropical storm, maybe worse. The eye or eye wall of a hurricane shows up this way because that's where air is being forced upward, the hardest and fastest. And cold at the top means strength at the bottom. And then there are those two massive black slashes cutting across the image. Those aren't storms. Those are gaps. The satellite that collected this data orbits in a narrow swath, and between passes, there's just nothing. No reading, no color. We fill our weather maps with data and then forget how much sky the instruments actually miss on any given pass. Those black wedges are a reminder that even our best view from space has blind spots. What gets me is that you could look at a regular satellite photo of this same region and see fluffy white clouds and think, fine, normal, but flip it to temperature, and suddenly the whole thing is screaming. The same sky, two completely different stories, which makes you wonder, how many other things are we looking at in the wrong wavelength? We'll be back tomorrow with whatever the data shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to check.